In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to stop Shein emails. If your inbox and phone are filling up with marketing messages, this quick walkthrough will help you cut down the noise right from the Shein app while still keeping important order updates intact. Start by opening the Shein app and heading to your profile. You'll usually find profile on the bottom navigation bar. It might look like a person icon. This is where all your account-related controls live, including communication settings. Next, look for Settings. On most devices, the Settings option appears as a small gear icon in the upper corner of the profile screen. Tap that to open the menu. If you don't immediately see a gear, it may appear as a three-dot menu that expands into more options, but it will be labeled clearly as Settings once you tap in. Inside Settings, locate the section for Notification Preferences or Contact Preferences. Different versions of the app use slightly different wording, but both take you to the same place, the controls for how Shein contacts you. Tap that section to open your communication options. Now let's turn off the promotional messages, starting with email promotions. Toggle off email promotions to stop marketing emails, such as sale announcements and newsletters. Turning this off typically won't affect essential communications, like order confirmations, shipping updates, or password resets. Those are considered transactional and are usually handled separately. Next, switch off SMS promotions. This stops promotional text messages, which can be some of the most distracting notifications if you're sensitive to frequent pings throughout the day. Finally, turn off push notifications. These are the pop-up alerts on your phone from the Shein app itself, often about flash sales, coupon reminders, or app-exclusive deals. Disabling push notifications helps keep your lock screen and notification center clean. Once you've toggled off email promotions, SMS promotions, and push notifications, back out to save your changes. Most apps apply these settings immediately, but it can take a short while for the change to be reflected across all campaigns that were already scheduled. If you still see a message or two trickle in right after making the change, give it a little time. For the smoothest experience, make sure your app is up to date and that you're adjusting settings while signed in to the correct account. That way, your preferences apply exactly where you expect them to. And that's it. You opened Profile, went into Settings, tapped Notification or Contact Preferences, and turned off email promotions, SMS promotions, and push notifications. Enjoy a quieter inbox and fewer distractions.